Here's how to publish a Storyline project to Blackboard without gradebook integration. So you would go to Publish and then choose Web. We want to include HTML5 output, but uncheck the box that says Use Articulate Mobile Player for iOS or Android. From here, click Publish and wait. And so here it'll show you that it's been published successfully. Then zip the file and pay attention to where it gets saved. So I'm going to save this to the desktop so I can find it a little more easily. Okay, so that's been saved. Now let me go over to Blackboard. So here I am in a Blackboard course, and I'm going to scroll down and go to Content Collection, and then find the Content Collection area that has my Blackboard username on it. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to create a folder. So this folder I'm going to call Storyline Project. It's important that you do this because when you unzip this file, your files will kind of expand. So you want to make sure that you don't have a whole bunch of loose files in this main directory, or else it'll be a little confusing. So click on Storyline Project to enter your folder, and then I'm going to upload the zip package. Choose that file, find it on the desktop, and let's see where it is on the desktop. Oh, I thought oh, there we go. Open. And in Blackboard, I'm going to click Submit. If you are, if you upload it this time and then you see that you made an error and want to upload a new version, or you just want to upload an updated version, you would do the same process and then click this button. If selected, the system automatically overwrites the existing file with the same name. In this case, it doesn't really matter because we haven't uploaded a file of this name to the system yet. So I'm going to click Submit. And you'll see down here that it's waiting. All right, and so here we are. Our files are now there. And then it's this story.html file that you would click to see your project and just confirm that it's there. All right, so right now it's in a space that only you can see. But just like Dropbox or other kind of file sharing services, you actually have the opportunity to change the permissions so that anybody can see it. So see how these hands up, we could actually go through and change individually each of these files, and they're all important in order for anybody to see your Storyline project. But what we want to do is to go up to the parent folder and then find the Storyline project and hover over this arrow, click on permissions. And from there we see that only the owner, Lindsay Sudbury, can see. I can choose to actually permit anyone, and this will be anyone in the world who has the link. Or I could say only users in this course, only users in an organization. I can select specific users. I can say all roles, or if I click on institution roles, I'll be able to choose between students, teachers, faculty. So there are lots of options here. Just keep in mind that if you want to use this link in other courses, so for instance, right now I'm going to post the link in this course, but then when I copy the course, I want to make sure that those students in my course next semester are going to have access to it as well. So if you do choose to only show this to users in your course, you'll have permissions problems down the road because the link will be in your course next semester, but those students won't be able to see the project. They won't have permissions. So it's probably easiest just to permit anyone. And if you don't have a kind of a worry about that, I would suggest doing that. But actually, let me show you how you can say all roles at this institution. That would be another kind of way to keep it within Northeastern. And you can choose read, write, remove, manage. I would recommend that you just use read so that people can't delete your project. And I'm going to click submit. From here, I'm going to go back to my folder and then back into Storyline Project because I need that link because now I need to link to this project in Blackboard. So here I am, this is this story.html file. So not the story.swf or the story_HTML5. We want to link from the story.html. So I'm going to hover over, click this, and then go to 360 view, and that's actually going to show me what this link is. And so I want the permanent URL link. So this right here, I'm going to select this and copy, and I'm going to head back over here, and I'm going to go to course material because this is where I want my students to find this item. I'm going to go to build content. So build content and then create item. It's a good way to, it's one way you can do it. I can create a link here. Actually, you know what? Probably the fastest way, so that building an item is good if you want to add some more information. The fastest way is just click on web link, and we can say like, you know, week 2 overview, or you know, whatever this file is. Yeah, this is actually the best way because you still get the description field here. So you put that URL in this field here, and then you can say like, you know, watch this presentation, etc. You know, whatever you want to put here. From here, let's say, yeah, we want to open it in a new window, and then click submit. All right, so this is sort of a more flexible way to publish your storyline project. Here we go. All right, so that's what your students will see, and this is just a sample project, so there's not a lot of information there. But that's a really flexible way to post your project, and actually this link right here you could send at this point to other people in the university if you wanted other people to be able to preview it. If you wanted to send it to people outside the university, you would have needed to click that allow all or permit all button to give permissions to everyone. But so this is a good way to post storyline content if you don't want gradebook integration. If you do want gradebook integration, I have another video for that, and please follow up with ats@nau.edu if you have any questions about how to do that.